Hello and welcome. We're happy to have you here at Whimsy Stamps and we appreciate you stopping by. I'm Lisa and I'm here today to share what's new in the Whimsy Stamps online shop. I have a giveaway announcement along with samples showcasing a few of the new products that I'll get to a little later in the reveal, but for now, let's get started with the new Panda 4x6 clear stamp set. Anyone who is a fan of the Panda Bear will love this set. The realistic image of the panda measures 3 inches wide by 3/1/8 of an inch high. The two bamboo images and the positive sentiments in this set can be used to create a scene or frame that will brighten anyone's day. Now, speaking of brightening someone's day, you could get a smile or even a giggle with the new Fluff Butt stamp set and outline dies. Now, the outline dies are sold separately. These peeker style images pair perfectly with Whimsy Stamps window dies. They are very popular right now, it seems. And with sentiments like, hey you, some bunny loves you, Fluff Butt, and more, you will be using this set throughout the year. You can also use Mom's Day clear stamp set throughout the year. Create the cutest Mother's Day cards using this adorable set. But don't stop there. The Whimsy Stamps mini slim tag dies will allow you to create coordinating tags to attach to mom's gifts this year. It's also ideal for crafting cards for teachers, grandparents, and more. In this release, we have one more stamp set, PEEKABOO dots. It's amazing how many creative possibilities stamp sets like this offer, from creating your own patterned papers with different colors of ink, heat embossing a background to do simple ink blending, or ink smushing on watercolor paper. The list could go on. But I'm also very excited to reveal this next product, which pairs perfectly with the PEEKABOO dot stamp set, the DOTTY 6x9 stencil. So that's where I'm starting with the stencil. The PEEKABOO dots are designed to fit inside the DOTTY stencil design, and a few can be used around the outer edges as well. Now, I'm sure you'll continue to use these products for many years to come, whether you use them together or separately, because dots will continue to be on trend. As long as we're talking about trendy things, let's look at the new Whimsy Stamps hot foil plate, the Floral A2 plate. The plate has incredible detail and flair for foiling. The Whimsy design team will likely display a lot of samples on their social media accounts, so keep an eye out for that. And Whimsy Stamps has added hot foil rolls to their online shop, making your shopping experience as convenient as possible. Next up, we have the Medallions Modern Hot Foil Plate Set. This set includes 3 medallions sized at 1 5/8 of an inch. Now, these hot foil plates go great with the PEEKABOO dots clear stamp set. I have a sample featuring these two products together that I'm sharing shortly. First, though, our last product in this reveal is also compatible with these medallions, the Mini Slim Trifold die set. This die set measures 6 inches by 9 inches and not only cuts out a mini slimline card base, it also embosses the fold lines and features peekaboo circles. So stitching surrounds the smaller circles while the larger circles present a clean look. A simple fold change lets you choose which circles will be on the front of your card. 4 medallions are included in this set, which can be used with or without the card base. Clearly, there was a lot of thought that went into the design of this set, which proves that Whimsy is dedicated to its crafters. If you want to see this die set in action, feel free to check out my video on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. Now, as I promised earlier, I have a few samples to share with you while I share those giveaway details. Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. Now, to be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel. Each month, a winner will be picked from the comments and announced in the first release video the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and you click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Don't forget to leave your comment below letting us know what you think of the new release. If you found this video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. YouTube seems to really like those things. You can also click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps online shop to check out the new release there. Take care, and until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us.